G'day guys, bit of a Wally moment today when I packed my GoPro. Didn't have any SD card, which is a real shame because I found myself in quite a beautiful spot here, just down on a river. Don't even know where I am, to be honest. Not a clue, but it's beautiful and serene. There's probably some eels in this big deep dark hole. It was quite deep actually. It drops off. Yeah, just out riding Rosie the Rally. I was meant to be out down Taranaki way this weekend, but yeah, my riding mate Doug got crook, so that plan shifted and I'm just out for a day ride. So still testing out the Moto X exhaust. Quite like having a noisy bike, I've got to say. Yeah, my big worry was that I'd be melting my indicator, but thankfully so far so good. Been riding for about 2 hours so far, and yeah, if it was going to melt I think it would have melted by now. So yeah, just out cruising, also using the TomTom Rider 400 that I was gifted. That's not sent me wrong so far. So yeah, we're gonna probably turn around here. It's a real shame I don't have an SD card in my GoPro because this is magic where I am right now. Just utterly freaking beautiful. So yeah, I'll have a drink, have a rest, and then carry on my merry way. I'm on my way down to Ohura, doing the Pirongia Ohura loop. So yeah, I'll check back with you later. So much fun! I'm gutted I couldn't show it to you. Ended up crossing the river up a bit further from where I was, turning around up there so I wasn't turning around in sand. It was brilliant. And we just here. Love it. So just cruising along, stopped to check my exhaust to get a little bit louder. Check that out. That's awesome. And I've not seen another car, or bike for that matter, the entire time I've been out here. It's been great. And beautiful day. So just cruising along. Again, haven't seen another car. Got stuck behind a truck that was doing some stuff before. Just came to these cool rocks and riding by myself, so I may as well take them over to appreciate them. I think I'm somewhere near Maricopa now. How cool are these? But you were saying nothing's melted on the rally from the new exhaust. This is looking quite nice. Yes. Quite good. New lifting trackers again, good. Armadillo bag, giant loop. A bit of extra fuel, so I've got no idea where the fuel stops are. This is awesome. I'm loving this route. Righto. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm on the side of the road between Te Awamutu and Cambridge. It's been an awesome day, and for the very first time ever I have run Rosie the Rally out of gas. Been quite keen to work out how much fuel, what fuel range is, and yeah, I've just worked out it's an indicated 240.4 with the 13 tooth sprocket on the front, which makes it read 15% off. So let's call it, what should we say, 210-ish realistic Ks. So gonna use the armadillo bag, chuck some go juice in it, and finish off my ride, head home. So yeah, even with running out of fuel, which I did do on purpose, I had plenty of opportunities to fill up before then. I did 417 kilometers over 7 hours and 42 minutes of riding. Most of that was gravel roads, thankfully, and there was some really good back roads there. So if you were looking to go exploring out around that sort of western part of the Waikato, definitely recommend it. The GPX file is available from the Mighty Waikato Adventure Riders Facebook page, or you can check it out on the River app. Just follow me, Matthew Day Gillett, and you'll be able to see that. So yeah, great ride all up. Sorry I didn't record any of the actual riding, and I'll catch you on the next one.